Oh, my feet are burning today. My lower back too.
There is no PPE on site that works harder than your safety boots. Joe Harness has seen this before, and what he knows could save helmet a lot more than sore feet. Two safety boots can look almost the same on the outside. Same shape, same toe cap, same general appearance. But you do not always see what is happening inside. And that is where costs are easily cut at the expense of the wearer. When the inner support compresses, your foot no longer sits correctly. Then your feet start burning. Your back starts aching and fatigue builds with every step.
So sore feet can become a safety problem?
Exactly. Fatigue changes how you work.
A tired worker loses focus, productivity suffers, and when focus drops, mistakes happen. If your boots leave your feet burning and your back aching, do not ignore it. Speak to your safety team or a protector expert to make sure your footwear is truly fit for purpose.